Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet the easiest crochet top ever. Let's start it. First, you need your selected Suitable yarn. crochet hook. I will use use Nico Turkish Yarn 3.5 brand millimeters stainless crochet hook, big size crochet hook, measuring tape, scissors, and yarn needle. First, make a slip knot, then chain 4, then make 1 double crochet stitch in the first chain to make the first loop. Now you have the first loop. To make the next loops, chain 3, turn your work, then make 1 double crochet in the last loop. Repeat this. Repeat this to make the waist circumference by measuring according to your selected size. In this tutorial, I will make X small size, 24 inches. Now start to make the first row, chain 2, then make 1 V-stitch in each loop space. Repeat this to finish all loops. The V-stitch, 1 double crochet, then chain 1, another 1 double crochet, all in the same space. Now make 1 double crochet stitch in the last chain. Now you finished the first row. To make the next row, chain 2, turn your work, then make 1 V-stitch in each V space. Repeat this to finish all V stitches. One double crochet in the last chain space. Repeat this row to your selected size. Measure your piece like this. Cut the yarn, fasten off and weave in ends. To make the straps, make another loops by taking a new yarn, then make loops. Repeat the adjustable loops. Repeat the loops to your selected size. In this tutorial, X small size. Chain 1, fasten off and weave in ends. Now the straps is ready to pull it by using a bigger hook size. First, insert the hook in the first side in the last V-stitch spaces like this. Pull it in each row. Repeat to finish the first side like this. Repeat the other side to finish the top. Pull the straps through the V-stitch spaces. Now the top is ready. If you like it, give me big thumbs up to see more.